Is Lipman right here? Is this going to harm the Jewish people at the end of the day or in the future?
I'm definitely in favor of the concept of a nation-state bill. I think that we have a constitutional law of human rights. We should also have something that enshrines the fact that we are a Jewish state in law. However, the moment that you're doing that, you have to go overboard to make sure that the minorities in the country feel completely welcomed and equal. And therefore, because there are specific clauses in this bill which actually reduce the equality that the Arabs and the minorities should feel, I do agree with the president that it risks bringing us to a state of discrimination and not the equality which the founders of the state envisioned.
So you think this may be overload in this version of the bill?
Correct. There's one or two lines that have to be taken care of. Certainly the downgrading of Arabic to a secondary language is just unnecessary. There's no reason we can't keep it as equal status with Hebrew. And the specific clause 7b, which says that people can form by law your own neighborhoods, excluding those who you don't want to be part of you. Those are the two which I feel are harming Israel, and there's no need for them when we're trying to promote Judaism in the state. That's wonderful, but do that, but keep the equality in place as well.
Sure, and Israel is unique because it has its principles as a Jewish state with its Jewish identity, and that's what this bill is addressing, but also as a democracy. Does one balance more than the other, or should it balance more than the other?
Well, there's ways to find that balance, but the moment the Attorney General of the country and the Attorney of the Knesset say this law is going to be overturned by the Supreme Court, there's no way this provides the balance, you know at that moment it's just political in nature. Everyone in the Knesset knows the law cannot pass the threshold of the Supreme Court the way it is right now, and that's a shame. It's a shame that anyone's trying to score political points and harming other populations along the way. It harms the minority population, the Arabs in the country. It will only inflame and embolden the extremists on that side instead of building up the moderates on the Arab side. And there's also a clause that hurts diaspora Jewry as well and their desire to be part of Israel. So from beginning to end, just take out a few clauses and we can be proud of a Jewish nation state which stands for equality, which is a core Jewish value. That's what they should be striving for, and sadly this law doesn't have that.
Sure.